We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. You are now, and you do become what you think about. Our attitude toward life determines life's attitude towards us. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Wherever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Every one of us is the sum total of his own thoughts. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press onto your destination. People who have goals succeed because they know where they are going. It's that simple. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before the change. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. Everything that's really worthwhile in life came to us free. Our minds, our souls, our bodies, our hopes, our dreams, our ambitions, our intelligence, our love of family and children and friends and country. All these priceless possessions are free. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice. It is conformity.